What's up guys, Emily here, and today we are back with another makeup video. Now in today's video, we will be doing this look right here with some new products that I ordered. That will be in the description below. So without further ado, let's just get into it. Okay, so I've already done my eyebrows because this video is more so about the eyes. And I went on Amazon and I bought neon pigments. They're not in the case right now, but I will show them to you. Here are all of the colors. Hopefully you can see them. So we got blue, pink, orange, yellow, green, purple, and then this one, which is the one with the glitter and stars in it. You can't really see it much on my arm just because I've got hairy arms. That's fine. So apparently, the video I had about me actually showing the eyeliners didn't record. So here they are. They're pretty smudge proof and they dry fast, so they're really awesome. So here's how this looks. It looks a little weird, obviously, because everything looks weird whenever I start them, but I lost all train of thought. I really want this to be kind of like a tutorial, but I'm also really bad at tutorials, and this is the first time that I'll be trying this look. So, first things first, I need to put down the base colors. So, I have my brush here. Don't know what kind it is, just an all-over shadow brush that is very dirty. And we're going to start out with the pink. Put it on the inner corner. Like so. And I kind of want to pack it on just so I can get the most opaque. So next we're going to go in with the orange right on the outer corner. And there's going to be a lot of fallout, which I anticipated. I'm going to go in with the yellow right in the middle. Like I said, I haven't really worked with neon pigments before, so I need to figure out how these are going to blend in with each other. And then I'm going to go in with a smaller brush here. It's a Luxie 131 mini angled brush, and I'm going to take that pink again and do under the eye, and then go in with the orange and drag it under as well. There we go. Now right now, again, it still looks a little weird, but we are going to go in with eyeliner. So what I really want to try is I want to take the colors that I've used, so the pink, the yellow, and the orange eyeliners, and I want to do a winged liner using these. So normally I would use black, but I want to see how it would go with these. So this is going to take a lot of concentration. Alright, so I ended up just going over it with the white, because the white shows up a lot better than the actual colors on the eyeshadow colors that I have down, if that makes sense. But we did the white eyeliner. Now, if I can find what I'm looking for. So next we're going to do mascara and lashes. So here is the final look. I'm pretty happy with it. This eyeliner could do a little bit of work the way that it looks, but I like it. And overall these products are actually like really nice. So like I said, I will leave links in the description down below, and you know, we're just gonna ignore the fact that my hair doesn't look the best, but this looks really good. Like I said, also my eyelashes probably don't look the greatest, like they're not applied the right way, but from far away it's fine. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Leave a like, comment, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.